very shabby at best. They really didn't do a very good job at packaging the. Now from here, I could probably really, I could probably have this together in probably another 10, 15, 20 minutes, but my back is screaming and I got to look at the instructions because I'm not understanding this little gizmo right here. So when I figured this little gizmo out, you're going to be the first to know what's going on with that gizmo. And hooking this up, this axle is going to go in here like this, okay? But I'm not totally sure as to what these here are for. It kind of looks like this is just to hold this thing stable so it doesn't get bent in shipping. I don't know if you can see that or not. And that just may be something they use to keep this thing together so it didn't get bent in shipping. If that's the case, then this is going to be like a 5-second job to put this together. So for right now, I'm going to figure out what this little gizmo right here is for, and you're going to be the first to know. I'm going to figure out what this to me looks like. To me, they put this in here just to keep this stable so that it didn't bend, because obviously if you take your hands off the handlebars, the bike has got to go straight down the road, because if it doesn't, you're going to be one pissed off hombre. And if you look at the fender up here, you can see that the fender got pushed over. It's bent too. So not happy with Munku. That's my neighbor. He's just a young kid. He doesn't care about his hearing. So Munku, you know, your shipping really sucks. You can see the fender is going on the opposite side of the tire, and you can see on this side that the fender is coming right out the other side of the tire. Okay, so not too impressed on the shipping deal. So let me figure the rest of this out. I don't know why that's like that. That's kind of kinky right there for some reason. Jesus, boy. Okay, all right, well. Okay, we got stickers on here and stuff. And, you know, I'm not a big fan of reading instructions, but like I say, this is not my bike, it's my wife, so I got to stop doing what I'm doing right now. And I'm going to take a look at the instructions, and I'm going to see what these things are for and why it's like that. Okay? And start up another video here in another minute.